One question that was brought up was how can a student go back and look at sections that they already completed? Say after you complete a quiz, they don't usually let you go back and look at what you've already done. Sometimes parents will request this because they want to go over it with the student. Maybe the student wants to review for their exam by rewatching some videos. I can show you how to do that. So first, find out which kid you want to allow that for. All right, so for Reagan, we're going to select her algebra class by hitting the circle here and going up to Edit Options. Click on Edit Options. Now, we're just here to look at free movement, but there are other things you can do in here as far as changing percentages, but we'll do that another time. So for right now, you're going to scroll all the way down. Oh, did I pass it? Here we go. So free movement, allowing user to move freely in the course. Check that box and hit Submit. And confirm that. And now they can look back at other sections. Now this you just want to be careful because sometimes students will use this to move forward. And if they're working on a class where they're not being supervised, it's really easy to find answers online and to cheat and get all the way up to the exam. So we use this sparingly. And even if you do use it for a student, just let them know that they have a certain amount of time. Maybe set it in the morning and then let them know that it's going to be off by the end of the day.